जीने के हैं 4 दिन टो डो डो टो डो टो What's up bobbies? जीने के सिर्फ 4 दिन and I've been singing this song since morning. Why? Because जीने के हैं सिर्फ 4 दिन. ये vlog कब खत्म हो जाएगा किसी को नहीं पता, right? So today is one of those 4 days and me and my boys are gonna be chilling, shopping, eating, having fun. We're dressed fancy and shit, wearing a collared shirt, loafers, jeans, not the usual pajama t-shirt. Anything you want to say?
Nothing.
He has nothing to say, Bobbies. I've left my boys speechless. Let's get started. Bobbies, we've come to Phoenix Mall first because boys want to go to Zara. They want to buy some clothes from Zara.
You smell Lux body wash.
Do I smell Lux body wash? I wouldn't know, bro. I stink. By the way, you know, I've never shopped from Zara.
The only thing I bought from Zara is one pair of pants on discount.
How much was it, Zara pants?
After discount, 1,800.
Bobbies, we pull up to Zara and everything looks like it's from Zudio. Bro, same thing was at Zudio, right?
I literally own this shirt, Mohit, from Zudio.
How much was it at Zudio?
500, 400. I bought long back.
How much is this?
2,000.
Only Nishok can afford, bro.
He's telling I.
Bro, on clothes only you spend.
How much is it? Fair enough.
Boys are finding some tight fit t-shirts. This is muscle fit or tight fit?
We'll find out, bro.
If you're big, it's muscle fit. Otherwise, it's just slim fit.
No, I'm not big. I'm not small. Shirt is big.
I don't know how we fucked that up. I'm not big. Shirt is small.
The shirt turns out to not fit me. It's the
Don't
shirt's
explain.
fault.
If you are explaining, you're losing.
I might as well shut up.
Bobby's Coven has found one slim fit t-shirt that he really likes. But Nishok is saying you'll find the same thing at Zudio for half the price.
I agree, but last time we went to Zudio, nothing else was there. So.
What should we do? Should we just buy it? I think it's a good purchase, bro. Coven has made an impulsive purchase. But only 950 rupees. Bobbies, look at Nishok's shoes. Sexy shoes he's got, bro. Where did you get them from?
Monk story.
What story?
Monk story.
Monk Story. Where is that?
It's like an online platform where you get good shoes. Guess how much?
Guess how much, yo? Bro, I'm looking at it. What's your shoe size?
This is 7.
Does the price vary by size? I think it does.
This one doesn't.
Okay. They look quite nice. 1800 rupees.
3.5.
2.5.
2.5 is actually quite nice. I said 1800 because I wanted to lowball him. Before we go inside the mall, can we please have matka rabdi? Nishok's favorite thing.
We can. Okay, one will share.
Yeah, we'll share one. Nishok wants me to have the first bite. It's his favorite thing ever. Let's see how it
I'm not
goes.
like chef, bro.
Oh, he gives me the first
Yeah,
bite.
I give you the first bite.
Chef Ali gives or not gives, I take the first bite regardless.
Scale of 1 to 10?
Scale of 1 to 10, I'd give it a 7. But I've had rabdi in Delhi, bro. So my standards
yeah.
are like a little too high.
Yeah.
Soumya took me for some jalebi rabdi in Chandni Chowk. That was insane. Oh, Baddy Nishok paying for me. Guys, look at his pin code. Done with rabdi. Now off we go to Zudio. Come down, Nishok. We'll buy you something today. By the way, today Nishok and I also went to Decathlon. We went to buy socks because him and I goon a lot, right? I have some insane bad news. Zudio is shut. They are renovating.
Zudio is closed.
Zudio is closed.
Oh.
Even God doesn't want Nishok to buy cheap clothes, bro.
Guess H&M, bro.
So we've come to H&M now. Are we looking for something in particular?
Yeah, bro, one skirt.
Skirt, oh?
Yeah, bro.
Found the perfect fit for Nishok.
Laugh. Ready, okay? 3, 2, 1.
And Nishok just found a nice sweatshirt. But then again, it's not the weather for
It's not the weather
sweatshirt.
for it, yeah. But bro, that's the thing about H&M, right? They don't like restock on this. They won't restock on this.
When you need it, it's
Yeah, it'll never be there.
Look at our Bobby. He's changing into his Zara t-shirt. So this is what Coven bought from Zara. Nice fit. Give us a 360. Fine, I'll only spin, bro. I'll only spin.
I'll do it for you. Come in. Turn around.
Turn around. Spin.
Turn around. Yeah, go down. On your knees.
You have to go on your knees, bro.
Go on your knees.
You don't know the trend. You don't know the trend.
I don't follow trends.
Give, I'll show you. Hold.
I'll do it.
Come, bro.
I'll.
Oh, Kulla will do it for me.
Yeah, I'll do it for you. Yeah.
Off my knee. Off my injured knee.
This is what happens. You're too excited if you get this only will happen.
Bro, I forgot my knee, bro.
I heard that sound.
You heard the sound? Guys, Coven just found the best jacket ever.
How much?
How much is it?
2,000 rupees, bro.
Yo, Bobbies, I'm inclined towards purchasing this. I look like some Japanese Yakuza boss, don't I, Coven? You can also roll these sleeves up, bro. Look at how cool you look. It's only 2K, bro.
There's a reason it's only 2K, bro. MRP 6K and it's on sale for 2K. I think you guys can tell why.
Because it was waiting for me to style it.
It's not the right answer, Mohit. It's not the right answer.
Bobbies, we've now come to Indranagar. We're waiting for Hari, and in the meantime, we'll get Samsung Momo.
Hungry, bro.
We're all hungry, guys. We've barely eaten. I've eaten like 600 calories today. Bobbies, we out here at Samsung Momos, and we met a subscriber.
Hi guys, this is really the best momo that I ever had. He was not kidding when he was saying it is the best.
Guys, this is Presswin and he's come all the way from Electronic City. So guys, Presswin has a juice that he wants us to try. It's from a spot called as Kannur Cocktail from BTM. He says that this juice is made of papaya, boiled carrot and vanilla ice cream. What can we expect, bro?
This is not something that you'll expect the taste to be. It's going to be really good.
So Presswin was carrying 4 of these in his bag and he gave us 1. Thank you, Dad.
No worries.
Yeah. Bro, I never consume liquid calories, but for Presswin, we had to do it, Bobbies. We had to do it. Alright, bro, we've now come to treat. And look at Kavin and Nishok. Bro, I do it. Same to same. Alright, Bobbies, we out here at Treat Restaurant. This is Kavin's first time with us. So today, Kavin's gonna be eating with us. We've ordered 2 chicken tikkas, 1 saag chicken and tandoori roti. We're also trying makki ki roti.
Which I used to like.
Kavin liked it as a child. Let's see if his adult taste buds will also like it. You liked it the last time?
Yeah, I loved it. But today, that.
Today he's not eating.
Today, not eating, boys.
Only momos he ate. Alright, Bobbies, our food is here. Saag chicken, makki roti, tandoori roti, chicken tikka. Kavin is patting the butter away. Why?
I don't like butter.
But makki ki roti you need to eat with butter.
You need.
Oh. Personal attacks, bro.
Dad, can I have my first bite?
Yes. You can have, son. You can have. Child, you can have. Look who just pulled up, bruv. Top G. Guys, Hari's got a new family car today. Congratulations. Sexy, bro. Shady Bobby Adit. Alright, Bobbies, we're now at Aladdin having Alishan Tikka.
The best Aladdin in Bangalore.
Yeah, the best Aladdin in Bangalore.
We can rank it, bro. Number 1,
Number 1, Indranagar.
Jeevan Bhima Nagar. Number 2.
Number 2, Jeevan Bhima Nagar.
Then everything else.
Then everything else. Facts, bro. Alright, Bobbies, I am now driving Adit's car. Bro, your car is making some sounds, bro.
Bro, it does that. It's a bit temperamental.
Okay, it's a bit temperamental. You gotta take care of it, bro. Pyar se. We'll smoke that car. There's some Bobby running in the middle of the road.
With that fucking TVS moped.
Yeah, what the fuck is he doing? Why is he running like this here? Bro, Indranagar has some weird ass dudes, bro. Seriously. Like, I understand you're into fitness. Go to the gym and run, bro. Or at least run on the footpath. Why are you running in the middle of the road? Bobbies, we out here at Corner House Indranagar. Mall chocolate fudge Sunday. First bite for my cameraman Nishok.
Hey, thanks, bro.
Sexy. Guys, it's always nice. Adit, Bobby. I don't want to ruin his cut, bro.
Bro. It's Milo, no? This fucking.
Yeah, it's Milo. It's malt powder. Insane, right?
Insane.
Say bye to Adit Shady. Say bye to Nishok also. Because Kavin, Hari and I are going to check out his new car. Bobbies, check out Hari's new car. I mean, not his car. His dad's car. His family car. It's a Mahindra 7XO top-end manual. It's perfect for Hari, bro. That lawyer suit and all. Sexy he'll look.
A good looking car, bro. I like this more than the XUV 700.
Okay, 7XO is better than 700.
Looks wise, yeah.
I'm telling that, you know, in your lawyer outfit, you look like...
Bro, I'm not wearing my phone.
You're not wearing the coat, but like, this looks sexy, bro.
Good, huh?
Sexy it looks. Ooh, oh my god, it's coming in front. Bro, the seat is moving front. Why the fuck is the seat moving front? Bro, hurry. Why did the seat move front when I sat?
It's welcome mode, bro.
Oh, me and all Aukat, bro. Quid and all this automatic control. Show us some features, da, Hari. What's new in this car?
So, can you see this? So it's called Fun and Work. Okay. So I can play YouTube. I can watch my own movies. This is like my own entertainment part, bro. So like, say this. I click on this.
Copyright. That's loud as fuck.
So basically, like 16 speakers and along with woofers, bro.
Say bye to Hari, Bobby's sexy car. We'll take it for a spin some other day.
Sure, bro.
Right?
Let's plan some trip.
Let's plan a long drive.
Sure, bro. What for me?
You only say no.
I say no to fucking Goa within 1 day's notice, bro. I don't have money to come Goa and all.
Fine, we'll drive to somewhere in Karnataka. Bobbies, we're doing a sleepover tonight. Kavin's come to my house. We're chilling. We're watching some YouTube. And look at me. I'm brushing my teeth and I'm washing my face.
I was waiting for the camera.